Hey everyone, I'm Karrie Hill, lawyer turned realtor and coach. If you're looking to supercharge your lead generation, dominate your market, and ensure your listings are seen by the right people at the right time, then you're in the right place. Today we're getting into Google Ads for real estate agents, your ultimate guide to success. So let's get to it. Why Google Ads? Well, according to the National Association of Realtors, over 90% of home buyers start their search online. Google Ads is like having a giant flashing digital billboard placed directly in front of those highly motivated buyers and sellers. No more guessing where your next lead is coming from. You'll know exactly where they are. Whether you're new to Google Ads or have been running campaigns for years, get ready because today's video is packed with actionable strategies to help you dominate your online presence. Let's get started. Understanding Google Ads. Google Ads operate as PPC advertising. What is that? PPC stands for pay per click advertising. In simple terms, you only pay when someone clicks on your ad. It's not about throwing spaghetti at the wall and hoping it sticks like a lot of other advertising. This is laser focused. Imagine someone typing in realtor near me or home for sale in your city. Your ad appears right at the top of the search results. That's the power of PPC. Unlike SEO, search engine optimization, where it takes time to rank, PPC gets you instant visibility on SERP, search engine results page. And the best part, you can target niche real estate services, specific neighborhoods, or even demographics. You're not just fishing in the ocean. You're casting your net exactly where the fish are biting. By the way, I'm with Smart Agent Alliance at eXp Realty. When you join our free sponsor team, you get everything eXp awesome, plus more free value than anyone else in the real estate industry is offering. If you haven't checked out our free benefits page on our website, you are missing out. So join us as others are doing nearly every day. Click the links in the description to find out why. How does Google Ads work? Google Ads operates on an auction system. I know, that sounds ominous for people who don't want to spend a lot. But here's the kicker. It's not just about who bids the most, it's about ad quality too. Google uses something called a quality score, which measures how relevant and useful your ad is. So, even if you're not throwing wads of cash into your campaign, a high quality ad can still outperform someone with a bigger budget. And speaking of budgets, you control exactly how much you spend. You can set daily limits, adjust bids on the fly, and stop campaigns whenever you want. Plus, Google's display network ensures your ads follow potential buyers across millions of websites. With smart ad creatives, you can drive laser-targeted traffic directly to your listings. Bottom line, Google Ads offers unmatched control and flexibility. Advantages of Google Ads for real estate agents. Let's break down the top 3 reasons Google Ads is a must for real estate agents. 1, reach a laser-targeted audience. Like I said before, location is everything in real estate, and with Google Ads, you can target specific cities, neighborhoods, and even zip codes. Selling a luxury property? Target coastal buyers. Listing a downtown condo? Focus on urban professionals. Combine that with keywords like sell my house fast or buy a home in LA, and you're not casting a wide net, you're spearfishing for the right leads. 2, cost-effective marketing. Compared to billboards or print ads, Google Ads deliver better ROI, return on investment, because you only pay when someone clicks. You also have full control over your budget. Shift funds to high-performing campaigns, pause underperforming ones, and never overspend accidentally. 3. Boost your brand visibility. Google Ads isn't just about clicks. It's about building long-term brand recognition. Your ads will show up repeatedly across several results and websites, keeping your brand in front of motivated buyers and sellers. The takeaway? Google Ads doesn't just generate leads, it builds your reputation. How to set up a Google ad campaign. Ready to set up your first Google Ads campaign? Let's simplify the steps. 1. Create your Google Ads account. Go to Google Ads and hit Start Now. Sign in with your Google account or create a new one. Fill in your business details accurately. Pro tip, connect your website to track conversions and ROI effectively. 2. Conduct keyword research. Keywords are the foundation of your campaign. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner, which is free, Ubersuggest for deeper insights, competitor analysis to see what others are ranking for. Focus on terms like homes for sale in your city and top real estate agent near me. Use negative keywords. More on that in a minute. 3. Define clear objectives. Ask yourself, do I want more website traffic? Do I want phone calls? Do I want lead form submissions? Your objectives will determine your ad strategy. 4. Choose the right campaign type. Use search campaigns for buyers actively searching. Display campaigns for broader visibility. Video ads, perfect for virtual tours. 5. Define your audience. When you target strategically, every dollar works harder. Segment your audience by location, cities, zip codes, demographics, age, income, interests, first-time buyers, investors. Best practices for Google Ads success. Let's talk about how to optimize your campaign for success. Write compelling ad copy. Keep it short and impactful. Use clear CTAs, calls to action, like book a tour today. Leverage A/B testing. Test headlines, descriptions, and visuals. Keep the high-performing versions live. Track conversions. Use Google Ads tracking tools to monitor results. Adjust campaigns based on real data. Optimize for mobile users. Ensure landing pages are mobile friendly. Most home searches now happen on mobile devices. Stay updated. Google Ads algorithms change frequently. Keep your campaigns fresh and aligned with updates. Common mistakes to avoid. Every mistake avoided is money saved. So let's save you some headaches by avoiding these common pitfalls. Understanding your budget. Be realistic about ad spend. Neglecting mobile optimization. Don't miss mobile traffic. Turning off winning campaigns too soon. If it's working, keep it running. Ignoring negative keywords. Told you I'd get back to this. Negative keywords are specific words or phrases that stop your ads from appearing in searches containing them. They help by filtering out irrelevant traffic, ensuring your ads reach the most qualified audience. For example, free might be a negative keyword for you. If you're running ads to attract clients looking to buy or sell homes, you might not want your ad showing up for these searches like free real estate services. Adding free as a negative keyword prevents your ad budget from being wasted on users unlikely to convert into paying clients. Google Ads isn't just another marketing tool. It's a growth engine for your real estate business. When used effectively, it connects you with serious buyers and sellers, boosts your visibility, and keeps your brand top of mind. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and drop a comment below with your biggest takeaway. And to learn more about eXp Realty and our free sponsor team, here's some videos which should be showing right now. Thank you for watching and have a great day.